it's Viviana, and today we're going to blow dry our hair. So my hair is freshly cleansed, and right now I have in my leave-in conditioner, and yes, my hair is still dripping wet. Let me pull it down out of the scrunchie. Yeah, so this is it. This is my hair. So originally I was just going to buy a regular old blow dryer with a comb attachment on it, but luckily I decided to actually check Google, and in my research trying to find a really good blow dryer, I discovered this bad boy. This is the only thing that came in the box. It was just like this, everything sealed off in the bag. So I'm gonna pull the bag and show you all the contents, which isn't really much. Alright, so we just have the blow drying brush. It's in pink. And the instruction manual. So the current name for this brush is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. This is genius. This is basically going to prevent me from having my paddle brush and my blow dryer with little nozzle attachment and using two hands. That's why I guess it's called the One Step Styler. And I decided to go with this blow dryer instead of the comb attachment blow dryer because this has a wider surface area, and in my head I'm imagining that it will give me a better stretch than using a comb attachment. So I hope my theory works out in practice and I don't regret this purchase. Let's plug it in and get started. So one thing that really stands out to me about this blow dryer so far is that it's really lightweight. I actually expected it to be a little heavier than it is, which is one reason why I didn't ship it to Jamaica, because I thought it was going to be heavy and bulky and I didn't want to pay for all that shipment weight. So yeah, I shipped it to the US and got somebody to bring it down to Jamaica for me. Alright, cord length not too bad, could have been longer but not so bad. Alright, so here are the settings. It has off, cool, low, high. Yeah, seems pretty sufficient for me. And alright, so let's start it up. It's not starting. So I had to press the reset button on the cord, and yeah, that started it up. So I'm gonna put it on. I mean, it's not that loud, right? Alright, before I start, first things first, let me section off my hair. So my hair was already thoroughly detangled during my deep conditioner stage. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have it up in the iCard so you can check that out. But yes, as you can see, my fingers are running through my hair and I'm getting some really good slick from my leave-in conditioner that's already in my hair. But in my excitement, let me not forget that I am using heat in my hair for the first time. So I need to add a heat protectant to this hair, alright? We are not about that heat damage life. No. So I have this little sample packet of Fantasia IC Heat Protector Straightener Serum, and it has a little blow dryer and a little flat iron on the packet. So let's rip this open and apply a tiny bit to the section. Not too much. Ooh, it smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Ooh, that smells nice. That smells nice. Alright, so as I said, my fingers are gliding through my hair. I don't need to detangle again. I'm just going to be using the brush straight away. Alright, let's start on low first. Low. So this is my hair so far. You can see wet hair, blow dried hair. But I can see that my roots are still very puffy. So I'm gonna focus it on my roots and see how straight I can get those. Yep, I think I got the roots well enough. But the ends are still not getting super straight. That's because I'm not really getting any way to grip my ends onto, wait, don't tell me the bristle's starting to bend up already. Too early for that, too early for that, sir. Bristle them kind of look bend up already. I don't know if you can see those outer line, but maybe I'm too rough with it, but I'm not too happy about this. So first con, but in terms of how well it works, yeah, it blow dried my hair and it was really easy to use, very easy, lightweight, and I'm loving the results. It's good. So alright, the chatting done now. Let me continue blow drying the rest of my hair.
Oh na na na, young brother. Alright, oh na na na. Let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. Where you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco.
So I'm going through with even smaller sections now to try and get it as straight as possible.
Try, yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, the way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. Yeah, come make we go. Whoa.
So the reason I'm working in smaller sections now is that I realized that my hair might have been too dense for the blow drying brush, so that may have been the reason why the bristles were bending. So yeah, work in smaller sections, especially if you have dense hair.
Far away, oh yeah, come and chop my money, chop my money, oh yeah, come and be
blow dry. And boy, can I feel the single strand knots. We need that trim. You can still see that there is texture in my hair.
Baby, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. Yeah, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to bossy bit. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to bossy bit. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to bossy bit. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to bossy bit.
In addition to the heat protectant serum I showed you guys earlier, I'm also adding the Ettenio Macadamia Deluxe hair butter to my hair as well, because yeah, my hair was feeling a little dry, and this is a hair sealant that I've realized leaves my hair soft and a little more silky. So
baby, the way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, come make me go.
That butter made a whole lot of difference.
Come make me go. Whoa, come make me go. I'm ready now. Make me go. Whoa, come make me go. Yeah, come make me go. Whoa,
Guys, I was so excited about finally seeing my hair blow dried for the first time since being natural. I had an entire press break that I didn't want to include into this video. So yeah, that video is already posted, and if you'd like to see the excitement and join in, I'll leave that video up in the iCards for you to check out. I need to bring it down a notch. Simmer down, simmer down. Okay, beauties, that is the end of my blow drying demonstration and review of the blow drying brush. It's my first time blow drying my hair since returning natural, and yes, it was a great experience with the Revlon blow drying brush, and I am thoroughly pleased with my results. Okay, I really didn't expect it to get much straighter than this, quite frankly. I am pleased. If you are new to this channel, hi! I'll have some videos up in the iCards for you to check out so you can get familiar with my channel and what we do here. And of course, if you like what you see, you can subscribe. Or if this is the first video of mine you've ever watched and you're already in love, you can subscribe. Okay, beauties, later. Mwah.